Nature, Animals, and Wildlife, a comprehensive exploration. Introduction. Nature is a broad term that encompasses the physical world and the life it sustains. It includes the landscape, atmosphere, and all living organisms. Among the most fascinating aspects of nature are the animals and wildlife, which exhibit an extraordinary variety of forms, behaviors, and adaptations. This document delves into the richness of nature, the diversity of animals, and the intricate web of wildlife interactions that sustain ecosystems worldwide. The concept of nature. Nature refers to the phenomena of the physical world collectively, including plants, animals, landscapes, and other features and products of the earth, as opposed to humans or human creations. It is the context in which all living organisms, including humans, exist and interact. The study of nature involves multiple disciplines, including biology, ecology, geology, and meteorology, among others. Ecosystems. The cradle of life. An ecosystem is a community of living organisms in conjunction with the non-living components of their environment, interacting as a system. These components include air, water, mineral soil, and other factors that support life. Ecosystems can vary greatly in size and can be as small as a pond or as large as a forest. Types of ecosystems. Terrestrial ecosystems. These are land-based ecosystems and include forests, grasslands, deserts, and tundras. Each type supports different kinds of life adapted to its specific conditions. Aquatic ecosystems. These ecosystems are water-based and can be freshwater or marine. Freshwater ecosystems include rivers, lakes, and wetlands, while marine ecosystems encompass oceans, coral reefs, and estuaries. Urban ecosystems. These are created by human activities and include cities and towns. They feature a mix of natural and artificial elements, often leading to unique interactions among species. Biodiversity. The variety of life. Biodiversity refers to the variety and variability of life on Earth. It is typically a measure of variation at the genetic, species, and ecosystem levels. High biodiversity is a sign of a healthy ecosystem, as it enables organisms to adapt to changes in the environment and ensures the stability and resilience of ecosystems. Genetic diversity. Genetic diversity is the variation of genes within species. This diversity is crucial for populations to adapt to changing environments and to ensure long-term survival. It includes variations within individual species, such as differences in physical characteristics, behaviors, and resistance to diseases. Species diversity. Species diversity refers to the number of different species and the relative abundance of each species within a specific region. It is often measured by species richness, the count of species, and species evenness, how evenly individuals are distributed among species. Ecosystem diversity. Ecosystem diversity is the variety of ecosystems in a particular area. It encompasses the range of habitats, communities, and ecological processes, and it includes both terrestrial and aquatic environments. Diverse ecosystems are vital for providing habitat for a wide range of species and for maintaining ecological processes. Wildlife. The heart of nature. Wildlife refers to undomesticated animal species and includes all organisms that grow or live wild in an area without being introduced by humans. Wildlife can be found in all ecosystems, including forests, deserts, plains, and urban areas. The conservation of wildlife is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and ecological balance.